everyone, welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be diving into one of the toughest decisions your business will face, which is to decide between growth versus scaling. But don't worry, we'll break it down for you so it's crystal clear, and by the end of this video you'll understand exactly the definitions of growing versus scaling, key difference between growth and scaling in business, a proven step-by-step scaling strategy for business owners with real life examples. Alright, let's get real here. Scaling and growth are like choosing between different superpowers for your business. You've got growth where you're expanding, opening new stores and reaching more customers. And then there's scaling where you're like a business ninja, getting smarter, more efficient and making more money without breaking the bank. The key difference between scale and growth is that growth focuses on expanding a business's reach and customer base, while scale focuses on maximizing profits through efficiency and optimization. If your business has already established a strong customer base and you want to expand its reach, scaling may be the better approach. This means that finding ways to increase efficiency and productivity while maintaining quality. Another factor to consider is the market. If your business operates in a niche market with limited potential for growth, it may be more appropriate to focus on scaling. This means finding ways to optimize operations and increase profitability without necessarily expanding the customer base. If you're interested in scaling your business with a customized plan that fits your exact goals, well, I invite you to chat with us at outsourcingangel.com/discovery, because our systemized and scale up team will be able to set you up with the right tools, processes, and technology so that you can scale up properly. We'll also train a virtual assistant for you so you can focus on other priorities instead. Now, here's the twist in the growth versus scale issue. Not every business is meant to grow and not every business is set up to scale. You just gotta pick the path that suits your goals and resources. Now, back in 2018, when I hit my business ceiling, I also had to choose between scaling and growing, but I didn't even know the difference between the two. All I wanted was for my business to be a big success and be able to accommodate more clients. So I thought hiring more virtual assistants was the solution. But hiring more people to grow my business actually made things more complicated. Instead of lightening my workload, hiring more people only made the business even more dependent on me. My team still relied on me to solve their problems, and I was still the one calling all the shots day in and day out. In short, I became the bottleneck in my own business. Then luckily, I met my fantastic managing director, Richard Fu. We teamed up to crack the code, and that's when I figured out that I needed to scale instead of grow. And for that, I needed to do two things, which is to streamline my processes and embracing automation technology. Together with my great virtual assistant team, these gave me the freedom to focus on the bigger picture and spend more time with my loved ones. And now my business basically runs itself. So how did I do it? Here's a step-by-step guide to scaling your business like a pro. First things first, set clear and exciting goals. Picture your business's destination and be specific about what you want to achieve. Write it down, type it up, or carve it into a rock if you like. Just keep it somewhere you can see it every day. Next, take a pit stop and assess your current situation. What's working? What needs fixing? Be honest with yourself, even if it's hard. Acknowledging the obstacles is the first step to overcoming them. Now comes the tricky part, choosing your approach. Are you really ready to scale up and fine-tune your operations, or is it time to spread your wings and grow into new markets instead? Consider your resources, the market conditions, and the risks and rewards of each path. Then automate your business with some tech magic. Embrace automation tools that handle repetitive tasks. They'll save you time and energy so you can focus on what truly matters. Next up, streamlining your processes. Think of it as decluttering your business closet. Organize your workflows, create clear procedures, and foster a culture of continuous improvement. Efficiency is the name of the game, my friends. And remember, no business is an island. So next, you have to create the right team to support your scaling journey. Find talented individuals who share your vision and passion for success. Define clear roles and invest in their training. Once you've got your plan ready, it's time to test and fine-tune. Start small and monitor the results. Gather feedback from your customers and team. Like a master chef perfecting a recipe, adjust your approach until it's just right. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a scaling success story. So scale gradually and monitor your progress. It's all about growing, learning, and evolving. Just take it from one of our clients. Tom is the founder of Connect Content, a content marketing agency in Sydney. He wanted to take his business to the next level by focusing more on client work, but soon he realized he couldn't do it all on his own. So he turned to our Systemize and Scale Up team. But here's the problem. About 90% of Tom's client onboarding process was manual, leaving a lot of room for errors. He was also juggling data across 3 to 4 online platforms, making his processes inefficient. On top of all of that, Tom's client and staff emails were all piling up into a headache. He couldn't sort any of it properly and he was fed up with all of it. So we created a customized scaling up plan for Tom, and here's how it went. We replaced his manual client onboarding processes with an automated one. Zapier integrations now automate his interview bookings, weekly group call reminders, and client accountability follow-ups. Our team set up automated leads email sequences for Tom, complete with personalization and appointment booking capabilities. Plus, we outsourced client accountability to his VA, so Tom doesn't have to manually follow up with leads anymore. To replace their messy email threads, our team set up an instant messaging platform integrated with other tools so that Tom and his team can have real-time communication, better workflows, and instant notifications for client signups, payments, and reminders. We onboarded and trained Tom's chosen VA on all the new systems and processes so he can just focus on the new setup and more urgent work matters. The overall result? Tom now has systemized workflows, improved team communication, and better project management. All these changes transformed his business into an automated machine equipped to accommodate bigger clients. Just like me, Tom ditched the traditional growth path and embraced scaling to unlock his business full potential. And that's the power of knowing the difference between growing versus scaling your business. So if you also want to scale your business the proper way, don't forget to chat with us at outsourcingangel.com/thediscovery. We'll be creating a custom plan for you with the right tools, systems, and processes. We'll even train a virtual assistant to take all repetitive tasks off your plate. Well, thank you so much for watching this video to the end. I hope you've enjoyed it and learned a thing or two about growth versus scaling. If you have any questions for us, love to hear in the comments below. Otherwise, we'll see you again in the next video.